Hi class, welcome to another lecture of online classes from CGM. Hope you're all doing fine. Today we are going to start our lesson number 3, that is life in the desert. First of all, we will see what is a desert. A desert is a place where there is very little rain and less vegetation. Now let's have a look at some of the different types of deserts. Number 1, tropical deserts. As the name suggests, these deserts are located close to the equator, that is north and south of the equator. These are very dry and hot places, and they have the highest average monthly temperature on the earth. The example of tropical deserts are the Sahara Desert, the Arabian Desert, and the Kalahari Desert. Now the continental desert. As the name suggests, these deserts are located in the middle of a continent. The winds do not bring rain clouds so far inland. So, due to the shortage of rain, it is changed into a desert. The Gobi Desert is an example of it. It is located in China. Rain Shadow Desert. Rain shadow is a dry area formed by tall mountain ranges that prevent the rain producing clouds from reaching the area on the other side of mountain. As a result of this, rain falls on one side but not on the other side. The Atacama Desert is an example of it. It is located in Chile. Now the coastal deserts. The deserts are found near the coast, where the land meets the ocean. The dry wind blow in these areas throughout the year, which do not bring any rainfall and changes the land into desert. The Namib Desert is an example. It is located in Namibia. Let's have a look at the climate of the desert. Deserts are very dry and hot places with very little or no rainfall for several years. In most deserts, it is hot during the day but very cold at night. The winds in a desert are usually hot, dry and dusty. Now we will learn about the land in desert. About 1/8 of the earth's land surface is desert. Land in deserts can be sandy or rocky. Not all the deserts are natural. Some areas of fertile land have been changed into desert by the human activities. Where water is available, there may be little vegetation. Trees such as date palm and other hardy plants can grow. Desert plants have few leaves and thick fleshy stem. These plants are usually spiny. Now let's study about the animals and the people residing in the desert. Not many animals are found here because of unfavorable conditions. Camels, lizards, snakes, scorpions, foxes, kangaroos, wallabies, hedgehogs, insects, and birds live here. The human population in the desert is very low because of the harsh climate and undeveloped land. Let's have a look at Saudi Arabia, which is located in desert but is highly developed. This has been possible because of the huge amount of oil present in the country. In Saudi Arabia, the oil companies have set up well-equipped and comfortable housing colonies with modern facilities for their workers. Now that's all for today. For the homework, I want you to read this chapter carefully and thoroughly. Have a good day. See you in the next lesson.